Tutorial on how to do Mr. Gonzalez's assignment for October 19th, 2023. So first, for question A, the IP address is 6.28.49.42 with a prefix of 28. Now immediately we can knock out the prefix question, the CIDR prefix question, which is 28. Now to find the subnet mask, which you should do before finding your net ID, you do this. So if you don't know how to get the amount of zeros or ones without writing it down other ones, you can just divide by 8 and find the remainder. But right now I'm just going to, for simplicity, I will write out every single one. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wait, no. So we have 8. That's one octet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 8. Another octet. This is currently 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Another octet. This is 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 28. And then the rest are now zeros. So 4, 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 4 is 28. So that's how you know you have the right amount of ones and zeros. So now what you do is you get this part, and you get the last digit over here. You see 42. Now what you want to do is you want to write this right there. So you do 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. And now for 42 it should be 0. Let me just write this up here. 128, 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. For those who don't understand which value corresponds to each base value. So does not include 64, includes 32, and 32 plus 16. Let's see what that is right now. 16. It's 48, so we do not include 16. 32 plus 8 is 40. Plus 4 is 44. Plus 2 is 42, and we're at our number. Now what you want to do to find the net ID is split the address, split the octet in the middle, or not the middle, where the 1 and the 0 ends. And from here, you get this number right here. Ignore all these and pretend they're zeros. So this would be 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, which equates to 32. So over here, for the net ID, in the last octet, which is because this is the last octet right there. Last octet, you change the last octet in the IP address to 9 to the number that you got, so .32. And the subnet mask should be 255.255.255. Dot over here. Let's zoom in on this if you don't know how to get this number. Dot 111100000 128 64 32 16. So you do 128 plus 64 plus 32 plus 16, and that gives you 240. And that goes over there. 240. That's your subnet mask. Now we're going to find the scope. After I delete all this. Now the scope is pretty simple, but you have to pay attention. So what we're going to do here is we're going to get the number that we had for our net ID, and that'll be our first one. So we got 6.28.49.32 2, and now we're only changing the last octet because this is the one that's going to be changed. So we do 6.28.49 but now, since you see how this is 32, but 32 is made of this, and all these are zeros. Now we're going to make all these ones. So it's 32 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. So you do 38 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 and plus 1, which gives you 47. And if you're to make all these ones, 0, 1, 0, 0, that would be 47.47. I don't know my sevens like that. For the the usable range, you do the same thing, but the first address or the first net ID is +1, and the second is -1. So let's put this in here. So we have 6.28.49.32, and the next one is, I forgot, 32 to 6.28.49.47, and the usable range is 6.28.49.33 to 6.28.49.46. Now the number of usable hosts. Now you do the amount of bits in the number of bits total in an IP address is 32, and our prefix 28 is the amount of ones we have. So you do this, so we get 32 minus 28, which is 4. And now we do 4 to the second power, because we have 4 to the second power over here. This is our fourth digit, but 8 is 2 second power, I'm pretty sure. No, it's not. Ignore that. But the equation that you have to use is the number of your difference to the second power minus 2, which gives you 4, 16, which gives you 14. So your number of usable hosts will be 14. Your gateway, now this is pretty simple. Your gateway is, oh no, give me a moment. The gateway is pretty simple. It is the lowest +1. So it is this. Let me get my highlighter. It is this one. And your broadcast is this one. It is your highest possible one. The reason for which, I don't know. But you can do that. So gateway is 6.28.49.33, and your broadcast is 6.28.49.33. 49.47. That's about it. If you want to take notes on this, you can. I'll give a second. All right,